Hey, welcome. I've got something special today. It's this best 250A Ccs1 Ccs2. It has been trending everywhere lately for a good reason. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. To start with, the construction, it is remarkably high-end. It features professional-grade components that feel heavy-duty. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. Beyond the looks, the power is what's most impressive. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this is made for you. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: this offer won't last. Check the link in the description and secure yours at the best possible price today.